For as long as we've been human, we've been builders. It's just what we do. From the simplest shelters to these sprawling megacities we live in, civil engineering is literally the craft that shapes our world. But what happens when that ancient craft meets our most advanced tool? Well, it's about to trigger a massive, massive transformation. So to really get a grip on where we're going, we first have to understand the challenges we're facing right now.
And wow, the scale of the problem, it's immense. The very foundation of our modern world is up against a set of challenges that are bigger and way more complex than anything we've ever seen before. The way we build and maintain everything is really being pushed to its absolute limit.
And this brings us to a really critical question, one that honestly affects every single one of us. Think about it. The roads you drive on every day, the bridges you cross, the buildings where you live and work. Are they actually ready for what's coming next?
We're dealing with what is basically a perfect storm of challenges. For starters, rapid urbanization. Our cities are just exploding in size, and that puts a huge strain on infrastructure that was never designed for this many people. Then there's environmental degradation. The toll that construction takes on our planet is massive. And finally, we're just running up against limited resources. The old-school methods we've relied on for centuries, well, they're just not cutting it anymore.
So, if the old tools aren't enough, what's the answer? Well, this is where a completely revolutionary new approach comes into the picture. We're talking about artificial intelligence.
Now, when we say AI here, please don't picture some sci-fi robot laying bricks. That's not it at all. Instead, think of AI as this incredibly powerful, data-driven partner for engineers. It uses smart algorithms to help us make way smarter decisions across the entire life of a project, from the very first design sketch to the actual construction and all the way through to long-term maintenance.
And this slide just perfectly captures the shift. We're moving away from a world of reactive maintenance, fixing a bridge after you see cracks, and into a world of proactive solutions, where AI can actually predict potential failures before they even happen. It's a huge move from relying only on past experience to using smart data to model the future.
So how does this new tool actually help solve those big problems we talked about? Well, one of the most exciting and impactful areas is in building a much more sustainable world.
So take a look here. You can see how AI is sitting right at the center of this new, sustainable approach. It connects everything from design and materials to how we manage resources and plan for the climate. Let's break down 5 key areas where it's already making a huge difference. Okay, first up, AI can help create buildings that are way more energy efficient by optimizing everything from heating to lighting. Second, all that red tape around green building certifications? AI just cuts right through it by automatically checking if a design meets the standards, making it so much faster to build green. And third, it can run thousands of simulations to find the absolute most efficient way to use materials, which massively reduces waste on a construction site. But wait, there's more. AI is also revolutionizing how we manage precious resources. For instance, some cities have used AI to analyze sensor data from their water systems and found tiny leaks that, when added up, were losing millions of gallons a day. Crazy, right? And maybe most important of all, AI helps us build for a changing climate. It can create what are called digital twins, basically perfect virtual copies of bridges or buildings to see how they'd hold up against future floods or heat waves. This lets engineers design structures that are genuinely resilient.
And you have to understand, these applications aren't just a few isolated, cool examples. They are all part of a much bigger, industry-wide shift. We are right at the beginning of a real construction revolution, and it's all being driven by data and intelligence.
And hey, if you want proof, just look at the data. What's so fascinating about this slide is that trend line. It shows the number of research papers published on this exact topic. For years, it was just a trickle. But look at what's happened recently. It's an absolute explosion of interest and innovation.
So, the research in this field peaked right here, at 28 publications back in 2020. Now, I know 28 might not sound like a huge number, but think about this. In the early 2000s, we were seeing maybe 1 or 2 papers a year. That's more than a 10-fold increase. It shows incredible momentum. This isn't some far-off concept. The real work is happening as we speak. But of course, this revolution isn't without its obstacles. Like any major technological shift, there are some pretty significant hurdles we need to figure out as we start to redesign our world with AI.
There are really 4 big hurdles on this path. First,
data security. We've got to protect the vast amounts of information being collected. Then there's the risk of bias. We have to make sure the systems are fair so our AI doesn't create unequal outcomes. Third is the high initial cost, which can be a huge wall for many to climb. And finally, there's a skills gap. We need to build a whole new generation of engineers who are fluent in both construction and computer science.
And all of that brings us to our final thought. We've seen how AI can help us build a smarter, a greener, and a more resilient world. But it also raises some really profound new questions. So we have to ask ourselves this crucial question. When an algorithm helps draw the blueprint, who is ultimately responsible for the future that it builds?